Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And today, I want to talk about the Mecca Beauty Loop Birthday gift for Level 3 members for 2023. So this is what I got a couple of weeks ago. This one has been a bit late coming, so there has been a bit of a delay in bringing in the level 3 birthday gift into New Zealand. But every time I've been to the store, when they didn't have the present or gift available, they have given me some samples to take home. So I just want to say thank you so much, Mecca, and what great customer service I received when I was at the counter asking for my gift. And they didn't have it available, but I was given some samples to take home. So that was fantastic. And third time round, they did have this available for me. So this is the birthday gift for level 3 members for 2023. So I'm opening it for the first time today. So let's open and find out. Looks like there are 2 Mecca Maxima items. So this one here. Quite stuck in here actually. Yeah. The first one is the Mecca Cosmetica Cleansing Balm. So it's called your Purifying Cleansing Balm. And there are 70 ml in here. On the screen it looks white, but this container is actually a bit pinkish in color. So it looks like there's a scoop here to scoop. There's a beautiful peppermint smell for this balm here. So this is a cleansing balm, I believe, to as a first step in your cleansing, especially for those who wear makeup. You just put this balm and just removes all that foundation, eye makeup, and so forth. So this, I think this is the first step before you cleanse your face. And this cleansing balm is made in Korea. Second item. Second item is the 100% cotton muslin cloth. So this is the level 3 birthday gift for 2023. And both items from Mecca Cosmetica. The purifying cleansing balm. And this is a muslin cloth to help to clean the face. So that's what I've got. So here we are. Comes in this beautiful box. Thank you so much, Mecca, for my 2023 birthday gift for level 3. And I really appreciate the samples that I got given while I wait for this to arrive at the stores. So I received some beautiful samples. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And please check out my playlist of all the skincare product reviews that I have done. And if you have any questions, list them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time.